And I believe there is no topic that is more worthy of that attention than the health effects of climate change. And His Holiness, the late Pope Francis, his words have been echoed multiple times today, but I think about his words around our common home and how it cries out to us because of the harms we have inflicted on her. And those harms, I believe, are showing up in our emergency rooms and in clinics around the world. We know how climate change harms health. And one framing point I think is important here, which is it is not the direct effects of climate change per se, but climate change as the ultimate threat multiplier. That all the things that threaten human health are made worse by climate change. So air pollution is probably arguably the single biggest killer of people in the world. About 10% of all deaths in the world are from air pollution. And the effects of air pollution are made worse by warming. And so one of the ways in which climate change harms our health is by making air pollution more deadly. We've heard about extreme heat. A number of heat-related deaths is rising around the world. And a theme of my next 10 minutes I will lay now, but I will repeat multiple times, is that when we look at the heat waves and the effects that they affect us all, but they don't affect us all equally. We see extraordinary impact on the elderly and on children, whose bodies are far less capable of managing the effects of heat. And we see extraordinary effects on the poor, who are not able to shelter themselves from that